Hi there, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen, and before we get started on our cocktail today, I'd like to familiarize you with one of our new products. They are beverage infusions. We have 8 different flavors to choose from, all of which are shelf-stable and made with natural ingredients. 1 to 2 pumps per 12 fluid ounces give the perfect amount of flavor to your carbonated water, lemonade, spritzers, kombucha, iced tea, or cocktails. So the beverage infusion that I chose for today's cocktail is our Southern Charm, and we're going to be making a Summer's End Sake Spritzer. Always start your glass off with the infusions first. They dissolve instantly as soon as you pour the remaining liquid into your glass. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of sake, 3 ounces of cranberry juice, and top it off with Prosecco. And there you have it, the perfect drink for those last few days of summer. Thank you so much for watching. Show us how you Amoretti by tagging us on social media every time you use our products. Stay up to date on all of our recipes by subscribing to our channel and clicking on the notification bell below. Subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. See you next time!